Alright, we are gonna film at the tallest building here at the Avanti Resort. Gonna get in, it's starting to rain. Look at this. Well, anyway, we're gonna ride the elevator here. It's nice. Let's call it.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah. That room flooded, remember? Do you remember what our hotel room number was?
920. Because you're there. Got enough of them.
Have a nice day. Alright. Integrity elevators, like all the other elevators here. I'm gonna pause here. Well, look at that. Oh, it's got an Otis interlock. Interesting. Pause the video. Alright. I believe that one's the service elevator. Alright, we're gonna call it one down. See which one we get. Didn't expect to see an atrium in here. This used to be the International Palms, I believe. Look at those worn brails. One came. I have no clue what these were originally. We're gonna go to one. Going down?
Yep.
Oh, whoops.
Try again.
Yeah.
Start carrying the house out the wall, see if it helps.
Like, I just don't
We
know.
didn't go through Universal this time, right?
No, we didn't.
On
I
one.
don't know why it's screwing up again.
Can we go straight to
Sorry. And there it goes. And it's still lit for some weird reason. And there it goes, and that's gonna be it.